Hello everyone, my name is Keon here at California Realty Training. Today I will be discussing the simple steps of how to get your real estate license in California. First requirement in the state of California is to complete 3 courses. The first 2 are mandatory: real estate practice, real estate principles, and then 1 elective. Elective we recommend as a company is finance, but it is just a recommendation. So once you enroll for those 3 courses, you then complete the 3 courses online. You must take quizzes per chapter, 1 final per course. Once you complete each final per course, you receive a certificate of completion that proves to the state that you have completed that course successfully and passed all quizzes and exams. Once you get those 3 certificates, you then must apply for your state exam. And through our program, we help you every step of the way in your application process as well. It does take about 2 months approximately for the state to approve your application. Within those 2 months, we do want you to study very thoroughly. So once you're approved for the state exam, all you do, pick the date of your choice. Once you do take the state exam, you pretty much know immediately if you've passed or not. Once you've passed that state exam, you must sign up with a broker of your choice. The broker then activates your license. Once you're signed with a broker and your license is active, you are now a real estate agent in the state of California. That's how easy it is to get your license in California, and you guys got this.